Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to take out the ball joints of the C10 lower control arms. Alright, so you put this piece here you put this piece on first, then followed by this piece. You'll take your bottom cup, make sure it fits underneath good. Then this stepper plate you'll put inside the bottom cup. Then you'll put the press over it. Get it to where everything is lined up. Alright, so once you get this all tightened down, put an impact on the top. And it'll pop it out. Then take off your bottom cup, press, your adapters, they will be on there tight. Get them off. And then your ball joint will come right out.
We make the streams louder.